Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the third video I am filming in this location. I am in San Francisco on a work trip and I'm on my lunch break, so I thought I would film a few videos real quick. So last year, Jen from Glam Moms, my best friend, and I, we did a makeup roulette where we were picking products to use throughout the year. We had a whole long list of products that we were going to use, and we were doing it in 5 product increments. As we finished a product, we'd pick a new one. So I never did a finale. I had a baby, stopped filming for a few months, trying to get back into the swing of things. And we have a lot of project pans, project use-ups throughout the year. But for the first few months, I don't have any kind of use-up project. So I thought I would pick 5 products that I'm pretty sure I could finish and I want to finish in the next couple months. So I'm just going to show them real quick too. Some of these I've actually been working on and just haven't finished up for my last roulette. So the first thing is this Balm lip gloss. It is in 400 Lilac Love, and it is the Balm Color and Care Liquid Lip Balm, and it is this beautiful lilac color. I love this lip balm. Balm doesn't get enough love. I know Emily Noel here on YouTube loves them, so that's great, but I don't have any other products, I don't think, from Balm. But I really do like this gloss, and I would repurchase this color as well as try other ones, to be honest, because I do like the formula very much. I don't know how much I have left. I will tell you, look, I'm trying to see if there's like any kind of demarcation. I feel like I might just have this amount. I have been working on this for a long time. Really like this. This eyeliner is just like the eyeliner that won't die. It is the Jordana 24/7 made to last gel liner pencil, something like that. So I made the mistake of traveling without a sharpener, but I could still use this. So hoping to use this up. Look guys, like geez. I've had this forever and I keep using it. This Jordana Easy Liner Lip Liner Silver Lilac I love, and I don't have too much of that left. Put that right in my cheek. There, you can see it. So decent amount in there, but I know I can finish it. And again, yeah, it's gimme products. You know, some people are like, oh, there's not even that much left. But I tend to start finishing products and then put them aside because I don't want to run out of them. Like, stop. So this is in a Skindinavia makeup primer setting spray bottle because it's small and I'm traveling. But this is actually the NYX matte finishing spray. So ignore this bottle. I just put it to travel. There's less than half in here. It was full, and so I've used a good amount the past few days, and I probably have another one that could fill this amount left over in the NYX bottle. Does that make sense? So there was this time, there were like 2 bottles this size in the NYX bottle, and I just poured some in here for travel. But like I said, NYX matte finishing spray, I do like it. But I have it in here, and I'm going to try and finish that up. Last product from Lip Goddess. It's the 24 karat gold lip balm, and I have hit pan on that. Not bad. It's not my favorite. It does have like little gold flecks, so it's pretty. It smells nice. And I put this on right before bed. So these are just products I want to finish up. Makeup roulette, last one of 2017, leaked into 2018. So these are the ones I will be finishing up. Comment down below if you do similar projects, and I'll check out your videos or vlogs. So have a great day, guys. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.